Hello. Now we are at the abandoned train tracks at Skanstull in Södermalm. Södermalm is the southern of the islands that makes up Stockholm. All the boats are put to sleep here for the winter, but now spring is coming. Gardening at the tracks. People grow their own vegetables around. These tracks were founded in the 1920s, and even though they were stopped being used in 1997, they were maintained well into this new millennium. Looks like the adventure might end up there. Looks sealed up. Let's see how adventurous we can get. See if we can. No, I don't see anything in there. I can't slide into it, and it looks pretty empty. Now, the question that's probably on your mind is whether this place is haunted or not. Unfortunately, this place is not haunted. The tunnel was blocked on the other side, so we couldn't go through it. We had to walk around it. And this is the counterpart on the other side. Blocked as well. As you can see, on the other side of the tunnel it's more like a wasteland. It would be an excellent spot for all kinds of sordid affairs, such as dogging and murders. So this is where they come to die. Over the years, the train tracks have become more and more devoured by the nature. For a long time there was talk of the city wanted to tear this place down and replace it with houses and buildings. But it's still yet to come. However, now it really looks like it's past its due date. Maybe it's time to tear it down and give this place some new life. Looks like the journey ends here. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.